Okay, right. Level 1 first of all. So I'll spread them all out. When you're ready, you can just pick them up and tell me what each card is. Okay, off you go.
Wood pigeon.
Good.
Great tip.
Yep.
Blackbird.
Yep.
Blackbird.
Yep.
Blue tip. Blue tip. Magpie.
Good.
Magpie. Wood pigeon. Robin.
Good.
Robin. Great tip.
Easy. Level 1 sorted.
I
Okay.
don't want to go too fast.
Yeah, I've got to be able to keep up with you. Level 2. Okay, off you go.
Chaffinch.
Good.
Greenfinch.
Yeah.
Chaffinch.
Good.
Goldfinch.
Yeah.
Long-tailed tip.
Good.
Goldfinch.
Good.
Greenfinch.
Yeah.
Wren.
Good.
House sparrow.
Yeah.
House sparrow.
Well done. Motoring. Okay, level 3. What's these? Okay. When you're ready.
Cold tip.
Good.
Dunnock.
Good.
Dunnock.
Excellent.
Nuthatch.
Good.
I'm thinking what it's called. Nuthatch.
Good.
Starling.
Yeah.
High volcano.
Good.
Yeah, it is. High volcano.
Excellent.
Jackdaw, jackdaw.
Brill.
Great spotted woodpecker. Great spotted woodpecker.
Good.
Songfish. And songfish.
Excellent. Right. Final set. Okay, so just look at these first of all. Just don't rush because these are all the new ones for level 4.
I got it 100% on the computer.
Did you?
3 times.
Oh, you should be fine then. Let's put them all out for you so you can see them all. There's lots of them. Okay, right, when you're ready.
Bullfinch. Bullfinch.
Okay, and what's the difference between those two?
That's the female and that's the male.
Excellent.
Black-headed gull.
Right, good.
Black-headed gull, summer and winter.
Excellent.
Sparrowhawk.
Good.
Sparrowhawk.
Excellent.
Carrion crow, carrion crow.
Well done.
Buzzard.
Good.
Buzzard.
Excellent.
Pheasant. Where's your pheasant?
Good.
Green woodpecker, green woodpecker.
Brill.
Collared dove, collared dove.
Excellent.
Jay, jay.
Yep.
Kestrel, kestrel.
Yay! Well done. Level 4. What a start.